Do not miss out on this amazing home located in Smithville. This 3-bed 2-bath 2-story home has been very well maintained with numerous upgrades throughout. The downstairs has beautiful vinyl plank flooring and freshly painted. The open floor plan is very nice with a great room overlooking the dining room and beautiful new kitchen. This was redone approximately 6 months ago. There are 42-inch cabinets, quartz countertops, a custom center island, stainless steel appliances, under-counter lighting and a new garbage disposal. The master bed is on the first floor and has a full bath. Upstairs has 2 beds, both a decent size and another full bath. Outside features include gorgeous landscaping, a new concrete driveway, 2 years old, large patio off of the deck installed last year, stone border throughout the gardens, 2 years old, and new garage motor installed last year. The greenhouse is not included with the sale of the home. The seller is selling the home in as is condition, but the home is in great condition. Close to the Smithville Shoppes, and your monthly HOA of $74 includes use of the clubhouse.